for number 2, hopefully you see, since he has 10 bags of corn, that I wrote, okay, we have 10 corn, and he had 5 bags of layer pellet, so I just chose P for pellets, and that cost was $85. So I just set that to 85. Then he decided to buy, 20 bags of corn, so I did 20C, and 8 bags of pellet, so 8 bags of pellet, and that ended up costing him $158. Now, I went ahead and solved this without looking to see what they wanted. What I ended up doing is, because this is a 20, I thought it'd be easiest to make this one a negative 20, so I multiplied everything here by -2. That's because I didn't even look to see what we were looking for. So that would have given me negative 20C. Negative 2 times 5 is what? Negative 10P. And negative 2 times 85 is, well, hey, look, I'm trying to do it in my head and I'm all nervous. What is that? I've already done it. Negative 170. Oh my gosh. I've got other things on my brain, obviously. Okay, so I'm writing the other equation right below it. So when I add these together, that gives, these cancel, and I've got negative 2P equals negative 12. So I can see that P has to be 6. So I'm like, oh, the bags of pellets were $6 each. But the problem was it wanted to know the price of the corn. So what I did, you can take any equation, I took this one, and since I know P is 6, I plugged it in right there. So I had 10C. Well, since P is 6, 5 times 6 is 30. And then I just solve. So I subtract 30 from both sides. Right there, what you do to one, you do to all. Divide both sides by 10. And so you get C is 5.5. Now we're talking money, so that would be $5.50. Honestly though, what you could have done, and this may end up being too long, you could have, since if I would have read and that they asked for the price of the corn, that means I could have eliminated this, but it would have been double work. I would have had to multiply, since I think in the smallest thing that 8 and 5 would go into, I could have multiplied this one by 5, because it would have made that one 40, and I could multiply this one by -8, because I would want, or vice versa. I might actually do this one by -5, everything by -5, and I would do everything by a +8. It doesn't matter, but that way they would have both been, one would be 40p and the other one would be -40p. I think that's harder, but either way works.